Beep test is easy to set up. Just place 2 cones at 20 meters apart, download a free beep test app, and we can start training. When the beep is sounded, we run from one cone to the opposite one. We have to reach the opposite cone before the next beep. Repeat back and forth. The time interval between 2 beeps shortens every minute as a new level begins. So this requires us to run at an increasing speed. If we miss a beep before reaching the cone for 2 consecutive beeps, the test ends.